to become engaged in the middle of a war to a young naval officer who had no fortune and no expectations, you would indeed have been throwing yourself away.
What I desire above all in a wife is firmness of character. A weak spirit which is always open to persuasion, first one way and then the other, can never be relied upon.
Now I understand him. He can never forgive me. He condemns me still for the past and is becoming now quite attached to another. I would never suppose that true constancy is known only by women. But the one claim I shall make for my own sex is the we love longest. When all hope is gone.
I imagine myself being different when I was only angry and resentful. Too late. Too late, I began to understand myself and her. Never have I met her equally with good sense or sweetness of character. She's perfection itself.
Once there were no two hearts so open, no feelings so in harmony.
Marriage in that family for any judge.
I've never loved any.
And I cannot recover that situation. But such a you would not. He does not.
If in 10 years' time I'm still on your mind, would you call
I can bear this no longer. You pierce my soul. I am half agony, half hope. Unjust I may have been. Weak and resentful I have been, but never inconstant. I offer myself to you again with a heart even more your own, when you almost broke it 8 years ago. I have loved none but
you. If in 10 years' time I'm still on your mind, could you call and say you want this? No matter where we are, you still have my heart, 'cause I locked it, and I promise you're the locksmith.